Hi. All right. So, um, Joe and Ethan had this question the other day about 51 and 52 when you guys are given theta equals, and we didn't really talk about theta equals. It's not a popular problem, and it's not something we absolutely have to talk about, but I want to make sure we do it justice because we have discussed it. And I know in our discussion, I didn't have a lot of answers, so in doing research for to find some extra problems and extra practice, I found these a better way to explain it than I explained to them the other day. So if you did 51 and 52, this is how you get the answers for those. So I hope this helps. And I have some problems that you can do to practice. All right, so for 51, the actual answer is x equals 0. And I had said that 0, -1 was fine, and that totally is. But because you're trying to find an equation, x equals 0 is the equation for it, and I'm going to show you why. All right, so when you do tangent, um, tangent of your angle is y over x, okay? So your tangent here, your y over x is -1, 0. So when you have y over x and you're saying it's -1 over 0, that can't happen because you can't have 0 in the denominator. So your equation, like your slope, would be undefined, which means that you have a vertical line at x equals 0 for the rectangular equation. So the polar equation is 0, -pi over 2. The rectangular equation is x equals 0 because the slope is undefined. So same idea for 52. 52 theta was pi. They said that the answer was y equals 0, and I said if you got -1, 0, I'm fine with that because we didn't have a great explanation of why. Again, doing some more research and finding some more problems, your tangent equals y over x. Well, your tangent here being y over x here is 0 over -1. So if 0 is in the top, everything's fine. It's a 0 slope, which means your equation in rectangular form would be y equals 0. That's why they said it was y equals 0. So for 51 and 52, that's exactly how you would solve it. So I have a practice problem that I have the answer here listed, and I want you to see the answer so you can see how we get the answer. All right, so theta equals 5 pi over 4. We are going to do the same idea where we're going to take the tangent and it's y over x. Your point here for 5 pi over 4 is -√2 over 2 and -√2 over 2. Okay, so if you look at your unit circle, you've got pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4. So you're in here in your unit circle, so that's the -√2 over 2 for both. So when you have y over x for tangent, and you do -√2 over 2, and then you put it over itself for tangent, even if you do keep change flip because um, you're not sure how to simplify, you still get a +1, which means y over x equals 1. If you do some cross multiplying here, you do get y over x, which is what they said the right answer was. All right, so that's exactly how you're going to solve these. I had done a lot of extra work with the whole finding the point part, but if you simply use tangent, you can find your equations and put them in from polar form to rectangular. So I will post this in Google Classroom, but here are some angles that you can try and solve for. Okay, and again, I will post this key and this work in Google Classroom so you can copy these down. So you can do these practice problems if you want to solve for theta. Okay, and you can use your unit circle. So you can get your unit circle. You'll need your values for that. So you can do the work that's up there. All right, if you have any questions, you can find me on Remind, email, or our lovely office hours. Okay? I hope this helps. Have a great day.